can you purchase a car using business credit? Well, that's exactly what I'm about to teach you right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to teach you how to buy a car without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check during this actual training. And when we wrap up, I'm actually going to get you a shortcut to 27 killer ways to get money to grow your business. So even if you want money outside of auto financing, I got it for you right here. We got a lot to dive into, so let's get started. So look, there's a lot of different ways you can buy a car for a business. Most of the time, you're gonna probably default to using personal credit. And you can do that. You can go into a car dealership, sign as a personal guarantor, use your personal credit in order to qualify. But there's a whole other way for you to get the money that you actually need, and it's by using business credit. When you use business credit strategically, you're able to actually use it to be able to qualify for Visa cards, MasterCards, auto financing, and so much more. And the best part about using business credit to qualify for auto financing is you don't have to provide a personal guarantee. So this means you're not even personally liable for the business debt. If you were to ever default, they can come after the business assets, but not your personal assets. The other thing is you're able to get approved without a personal credit check. That means no matter how good or bad your personal credit may be, you can still get approved with no inquiries on your personal credit reports. Look, some of the recent approvals I've seen from our clients with auto financing include $185,000 in financing at Ford, and another client got $350,000 in auto financing without a personal guarantee, without a personal credit check. Look, our clients are using this powerful way to purchase vehicles to not just get one, but to literally buy fleets of vehicles to grow their business. Some of our clients are just using it for a primary vehicle. Maybe they wrap the vehicle and use it for marketing. Others are actually in the transportation industry. Yet others are buying them for Uber or even for services where they actually own rental car fleets. There's so many things you can do if you can get the financing you need. So how do you do this? How do you get approved? Well, here's exactly how it works. You've got to go through the steps of building your business credit. First, set up your business where it's credible, right? You want to have your address, your phone number, your bank account, everything separate for the business from you personally. You want to start building your business credit. You want to get some starter vendors that appear on your business credit report. And again, at the end of this training, I'll share a guide for you to be able to know the exact steps to do that. Next, you want to start getting credit with major retailers, Staples, Office Depot, Sam's Club, Costco, even Macy's and Nordstrom offer business credit without a personal guarantee and credit check. The more of these accounts you get, the more appear on your business credit reports. Now, when you get to 14 accounts on your business credit reports, then you're able to get approved for Visa card, MasterCard, American Express cards. This is called universal credit. You're also able to get auto financing, again, without a personal guarantee and credit check. Now, our clients get there in about 4 to 6 months. If you're just using this kind of training or these kind of trainings, it could take you as much as 2 to 3 years because that's a lot of trial and error as you go. But whether you're working with Credit Suite or doing this on your own, you can do this. If you get to 14 accounts in your business credit reports, you're able to get all the auto financing you need without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. Now, keep in mind, the lenders are going to want to see business income documentation. So be prepared to provide things like a balance sheet or a profit and loss statement, or most definitely the tax returns from the business. These are common things that lenders are going to want to see to finalize your approval. So you want to learn more about building business credit? Go to creditsuite.com/EIN. Our guide has been downloaded over 1 million times, and this guide gives you the exact roadmap, the step-by-step process to successfully build your business credit. Also, go to creditsuite.com/27. That's 27. And that'll give you our guide on 27 killer ways to get the money you need to grow your business. So outside of auto financing, you have a lot of other options to get the money you need to start and grow. Did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training. We're talking about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.